Hey everyone, this is Grant Draper again, salesman here at Billion Automotive, Iowa City. I know I went on and on about all the 2018 Traverses and all the great features that we have, and here's just a few of them. This one right here is a standard model LS. It will have cloth interior and all the standard equipment that will come with the 2018 Traverses. And this model right here, the 2018 Traverse LT, would have an extra special bells and whistles such as leather seats. Next in line, we do have the Premier model like I was showing earlier. It's going to have your heated steering wheel, leather seats, and all the amenities. This one right here is a 2018 Redline Traverse. It's going to have all the same features as a Premier, a little bit more sportier look. Hey, this is Grant Draper. Come down this weekend and check out all the new 2018 Traverses and all the great deals that we have going on.
Find new roads at Billion Chevy, Buick, GMC, Cadillac of Iowa City or BillionAuto.com/Chevrolet.